Our temperatures have struggled to climb out of the 20s through the southern Willamette Valley today, and now the rain continues to fall across the region. You can see the wet roadways behind me. What looks to be wet is actually a solid layer of ice, and that's going to be the concern for the remainder of tonight. If it looks wet in the southern Willamette Valley, it is likely ice, as our temperatures are expected to ride out below freezing well into the early morning hours. So if you don't have to travel tonight or tomorrow morning, you best stay at home for your own safety, because this is some of the most dangerous weather events that you can see, because it only takes a very thin layer of ice to quickly make things dangerous. Thankfully, this is a very short-lived system. It's in and out of here, and our temperature is actually warming up by the mid-morning hours tomorrow, so that's the good news. But this is kind of a unique weather event for all of the United States. You have to have the perfect conditions to set up freezing rain. How that works is you have cold air in the highest levels of the atmosphere, which is typical, where everything starts off as snow. But then you get this warm pocket of air right in the center of the atmosphere, and those snowflakes, when they fall into it, if it's big enough, the snow will melt, turning to rain. But near the surface, where we all live, that's where temperatures are at or below freezing. So the rain, it falls as rain into that freezing layer, and once it touches those freezing surfaces, it then turns to ice on contact. So that's exactly what we're seeing here in Western Oregon, as the National Weather Service keeps ice storm warnings in effect all the way through tomorrow morning, and then we finally start to get some warmer conditions. We'll be discussing what's in store for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day coming up in my extended forecast in just a few minutes. Brandon.